The 392 is, I won't lie, that's pretty amazing.
Hi, I'm Will, and welcome to Venture to Rome. Have you ever had a project that was really simple but also really difficult? Well, that's the kind of project that we're doing today. Enter the airbag install. What is an airbag, you may ask? Let me tell you. An airbag is just that. It's an airbag that you put inside your springs, and when you inflate it with air, it puts tension against the springs and makes them stiffer. So for overlanders that put a lot of stuff on top of their rigs, this keeps the rigs from sagging down in the back or in the front, but probably in the back. So my best buddy Chris is coming over this morning, and we're gonna install these in his rear springs. He drives a 2014 JKS Rubicon. We're going to smash these things down in between the space in the spring, and then run an air line up, connect all the air lines in the back where we can have a Schrader valve to fill it up. And then Chris is going to have that nice support he needs back there when he's loading up his Jeep for overlanding. Okay, it is getting a little late in the morning. I need to go change into some clothes I can get dirty. Chris should be here any minute, so let's get started. So Chris, tell us what you got there and what we're doing today.
So this is the Airlift 1000. It's their adjustable like airbag kit. I'd seen that you had had these, and that it made a big difference in leveling the Jeep out. This is the Airlift, of course, Airlift 1000, which is a 60911. Got some airline, of course, the two airbags. These will go inside of the springs. I think these guys are the spacers that go on top. This is actually the heat shield, hardware pack, and some zip ties.
Here's the plan. Okay, so here's the plan. We're going to try to use a floor jack and a couple jack stands to droop the suspension down as far as we can go to find that spot in the spring where we can pancake these things down. You pop this air thing off, squeeze all the air out, you pop it back on, and then you just kind of like grit and see, what I've had an issue with is that this, where it's reinforced, it doesn't want to go. Okay, so we made it work with this zip tie. I carry a bevy of zip ties with me because I have a friend who has a Disco LR3
that we love.
Always seems like he needs an extra zip tie or electrical tape. One of the lessons that I've learned is to run the airline first, because once this thing gets up inside the spring and inflates, you have no room to attach the air hose. I say this because I did it wrong like twice, which is about everything I do on my Jeep. I had to take the airbag back out on the airline, put it back in. So we're gonna try to do it right the first time. We gave ourselves a little extra line when running the airline to the springs because we like to get flexy and don't want to accidentally pull out an airline. It doesn't fit, man. So now it's in, that part anyway. So now we need something to kind of press it up as we press it in. Oh my God, we got it. Hey. Holy cow! We're going to try to cut that zip tie, take the cap off, and connect the air hose. There it goes. So we've got the second airbag put in. We're going to take these airlines and try to run them through the frame.
I actually ran it up, over, through, and then there's a hole on top. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the T here, probably zip line the T, but also run it up and over, kind of like you did.
Yeah,
well, exactly like you did in there. And that'll keep the lines totally in here.
We did our best to utilize the Jeep's existing heat shields and other infrastructure so that the lines were hidden, protected, and would not accidentally get melted.
I just want you to know, Chris, I
love you too, Will. Wait, what? You go first.
I swept my garage floor for you.
You did?
I did.
And I'm the one on the creeper.
And I blew it out for you too. I used the blower. Blew it out. Just for you, man. Just for you and your airbag. Oh, look at that beautiful TConnector. That's right. That's
That's
the heat shield.
the heat shield.
Yeah. So I ran it through here. There, right there. There it is.
Right there.
Okay, so we have run this through the tub here. We drilled a hole in this grommet and we run the air line. So we're going to install the Schrader valve right in here in the tub here. And so we're just trying to figure out how much line do we need.
These were like $50 a piece, the Overlanding clubs.
Yeah, exactly. All right, we have air test time. I'm going to use this bad boy. Put some air in that thing. Yeah, it does.
After installing all the lines and the Schrader valve, we inflated the bags with air, checked the PSI, which was at about 10. Then we listened for leaks, sprayed all the connections with soapy water, and looked for leaks. We took the PSI again, and it was holding steady at about 10, so we thought we had a successful install. And it wasn't that hard this time. Maybe sometimes simple things can be easy too.
Thanks for watching. This was a ton of fun to do with Chris. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If there's questions or comments, put them in the comment section. If you want to see more from us right now, click on one of the links on the screen and you can see some more videos. And if you like what you see, then hit the subscribe button. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.